Yeah. Been from in the building. Sister in the building. Pour out the bubbles, we holding our liquor down. If it's a problem, I'll go to the bar and I shut it down. Get out my section, don't bother with lames. I'm watching these bunnies bounce. Shorty a 10, a rubber band, come on for the 100 pound. All of the talk, but don't run them out. I'm trying to be out. All I really wanna know, when we leaving. All I really need to know is when we leaving. All I really wanna know, when we leaving. All I really need to know is when we leaving.
What is up, YouTube? I'm gonna go shoot some footage of this car. I need it for a 240SX video I'm doing. So this is a little behind the scenes. Bam. Optimus Prime. So this is a little behind the scenes. So like, I'm an older car YouTuber, dude. I'm not like 20, whatever. I'm in my 30s. I got a family. I feel like a lot of car YouTubers are in their 20s. But this is a little behind the scenes. So we're just gonna go shoot some footage with this car and I'm gonna show you how we're gonna do it as a family, man. Let's go. Yo, we got that HKS high power with the aftermarket bumper, so it's not great. Really like that exhaust. This is my 240. It is stock interior, in a right-hand drive ashtray, full interior, which you need to have your interior full interior on your 240. Right-hand drive. I like to be different. Extremely modified exterior. All these boxes up there, that's like all 240SX parts. Brakes, even some Z32 stuff. Z32 stuff, that shelf is all Z32 stuff, Z32 stuff, Z32 stuff, Z32 stuff, 240 stuff, 350Z straight pipe exhaust. Hit me up if you're in Southeast Florida and want to straight pipe your 350Z. I got your back, dude. That's off my old PC. Right. So now this is the dad part of being a car YouTuber. Kid toys. Kid, are you coming with me?
Turn it down a little.
Mom.
Car totally woke Chloe up.
Is that car loud?
Yeah.
It's not loud, it sounds good.
I was in there getting Claire's shoes and you turned your car on and Chloe's eyes opened up. Gotta get out of here.
Well, the garage is literally right next to the room. All right, let's go. This is car YouTuber Kid. Claire Bear.
She hears your voice.
Let's go, be quiet. Claire, this way. See, this is more car YouTuber dad stuff. Look, what all do we need? Juice box, swiper, kid stuff, kid, she had to get dressed. We're literally just gonna go shoot some B-roll that could take 30 seconds. It's going to take me 15 minutes to leave the house.
Where's your swiper, Claire? Chloe had it.
Dun, dun, dun. Good luck.
No, your swiper. Yeah.
She's got the key card.
Okay, but where did Chloe have it? She was in
This video's already longer than I thought. I thought it was gonna be easier. This is how it just FYI. All right, so we got Claire, we got her stuff. stuff.
We got luncheon.
We got toys in the garage. We got our car ready to go. It's only been 15 minutes since I've been trying to leave to do a 30-second photo shoot. Need that. Oh, hey, I was looking for those. Oh. Oh, I did change these seat belts. This one's all jacked up. Jump back there. S15 floor mats. Had those for a long time. Probably, I don't even know if you can even find those right now. Wore out S13 seats.
You guys, you want to see the picture?
Whoa. Dad YouTuber, so for some reason the 180
You want to see
SXs.
the picture, guys? It's gone.
Oh, magic.
Yep.
For some reason the 180 SXs have a beeping backup thing. Oh no, I don't disconnect it. I kept it connected for authenticity, but it's kind of annoying. So this car, it's like, I don't know, I don't drive it that much. I really haven't driven it that much in the last probably 10 years. It was my daily driver for a long time. I bought it back in 2003. Completely stock USDM 240SX 89. Had it for a long time. It's went through a lot of changes. This is what it looks like now. Daily drove it from like 2003 to, I don't know, I bought a G20 in there sometime too, and I had another 240, but I always have multiple cars. Let's go by Wes's house and see what's up. Hey, there's my old car. Are you leaving?
Huh?
Are you leaving?
Yeah, it's coming to your house.
Oh, it's coming to your house. I'm going up to the clubhouse. I need to shoot some footage of this car. You want to come?
I'm gonna grab
I need to clear out of the house. All of her stuff. Get out, get going. Forgot my phone. Forgot it. Don't need it. Don't need it. Yo, Claire, what are you doing?
I'm putting his footage down.
Dad, automotive YouTuber. This is this. We'll take the car out to do a little shoot. Take the kid out, go play.